You'll need a top-notch team to win this one. Round one, go!
Open your eyes. Magic is not the only invisible force in play here.
Seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Velasco said I should stay away from you. He really hates you.
He should. Also, I see you're not taking his advice.
I don't really let people or demons tell me what to do.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
If Apocalypse were here, this battle would already be over.
Good medicine.
Check your health, gang!
Someone's got us in their sights. Ionic magic! That blocking hurt! Feeling exposed.
Boom! No skill shot!
I am strengthened with that. Someone's ready for us!
Enemy ahead of us! Psionic burst!
Ionic magic!
Help get that vehicle to its destination.
Check your health, gang!
Good medicine.
You're halfway there. Keep going.
Follow us to Dracula's castle, Ratatosker.
We've got a jet!
Almost there. Don't turn back now.
The Dark Child I see. Ionic magic! Good medicine. That's blocking hurt!
Water fuel backup!
The vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
They're in a bright spot.
Stick with me. I know a shortcut through the park.
You never stood a chance.
I got you! Coming in fast!
Perfect angle.
Check your health, gang!
I am by the
KO.
The Sorcerer Supreme returns.
Get that vehicle moving again! With you!
Una via
With the amazing firepower!
By the eye of Agamotto! By the eye of Agamotto!
Better watch your back.
some kind of spell.
Mortal pain is no match for the Sorcerer Supreme.
Down! That fucking hurt!
Yo soy el final!
Good medicine.
Disappear!
An unseen assist!
Join the amplifier!
I am strengthened for battle.
Damage sustained. Need assistance.
Get that vehicle moving again!
Letting the Dark Child out, I see. An unseen assist! We must confront Dracula himself to lift this curse.
Down! That fucking hurt!
So close! This is your big chance!
Power beyond sight!
The current score is 3-2-0. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on. The right heroes could make all the difference.
Open your eyes. Reality is but an illusion.
Round 2, go!
Magic is not the only invisible force in
They'll
play.
be coming in
here.
30 seconds. Stay strong.
A friend to mutants, but destroyed the timeline. What would you do?
I am told we're to engage hypotheticals, Ilyana. The battle before us is enough.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You have to stop them from securing the mission area.
That spider could have bitten anyone. Even me.
Here they are now.
I am strengthened for battle. Power beyond sight! An unseen assist!
No skill shot! I'll patch you up.
Usually I create my own shield. Ionic magic! So be gone.
You think I'm afraid of being hurt?
beyond sight!
Need assistance!
The Sorcerer Supreme returns!
Armor patch here. Hey up. Iron soldier. Don't find me. I'm just dying. Hey, Danny. Boom! No skill shot.
An unseen assist! By the eye of Agamotto! An arcane assist, so to speak.
Long time. Hey up. Hey. You're welcome. And just like that, I believe in magic.
Good medicine. An unseen assist!
Only 60 seconds left. Disappear!
Beyond sight!
Down to 30 seconds.
Supreme lives once more.
The final 10 seconds.
Tag! Someone clip this!
No winner yet. Going to overtime. Double kill! You need to stop that vehicle in its tracks.
The mystic arts won't fail me again.
It's clobbering time!
Limbo stands with you!
Better stop that vehicle.
Someone scratch my back!
Good medicine.
No contingency plans needed. I'll patch it up.
An unseen
¡Yo
assist.
soy el final!
Better stop that vehicle.
Fox is free!
Enemies on me. Power beyond sight!
I'm hit! Cover me! Call me on me!
Usually I create my own shield.
Only 60 seconds left.
Hey, Dad!
An unseen assist!
Tap them!
Sonic magic!
Final 10 seconds!
I'm doing this my way!
Nowhere yet. Going to overtime. Final score, 3, 2, 1. Another epic victory! Big win! Pick your hero. Or villain. I'm not judging.
We are close. Get ready. There's a cold snap coming.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Every time I see you, I think to myself, as long as Spider-Man is still around, everything will be all right.
Whoa, that's a lot of pressure.
I don't mean it that way. You just mean a lot to a lot of people.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
They think they shall be victorious? Pathetic. Embrace perfection. I have suffered some damage.
Tammy needs help.
Finally! Someone's too scared to fight up close.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now. Mission area is yours.
All right, Kai. Now we really have to attack. You owe me one.
Natural selection.
How refreshing.
Glad to help.
Glad you're on my side no more. That hit the spot.
Everybody needs a hand sometimes. Or Or a dagger. Alright, Ty. Now we really have to attack. Just embrace the light.
Okay, get face up. Take it down a notch, huh? Should have stayed home.
You've captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
Everybody needs a hand sometimes. Or a dagger.
Who's got the big guns now? Or fun?
Just embrace the light. Everybody needs a hand sometimes. Or a dagger. Alright, Ty. Now we really have to attack.
The area's almost yours.
Everybody needs a hand sometimes. Or a dagger. A beam of light.
If you wish to survive, you must repair me.
A beam of light. Get ready. There's a cold snap coming.
Seconds before you attack. Get ready.
We're not that different, Parker. We're around the same age, and we were both given unimaginable power. I can guide you down a brighter path.
You think I just walk away? Give up everything I built.
It seems to me you've already given up more than you realize.
Then you don't get it.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Check my watch. It's almost clobbering time.
Repairs are in order.
Just the idiots
Glad to help.
Looks like the mission area is yours.
Yo soy el final!
Mission area is yours.
Not two cents.
All right, Ty. Now we really have to attack. Hold still. I'm trying to help. You owe me one.
Refreshing.
Hold still. I'm trying to help. Us against the world. Disappear.
Face oblivion!
My time to shine. Everybody needs a hand sometimes. Hold still. I'm trying to help.
Your face. Take it down a notch, huh?
You captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
I have suffered severe damage.
Alright, Ty. Now we really have to attack.
Welcome to the Dark Force dimension.
Just as expected.
My time to shine.
And Wakanda's king. That is much better.
You owe me one.
The area's almost yours.
Lights out. Suffer in the darkness.
My time to shine.
There you are!
Thanks.
Ultra Break Supreme!
Everybody needs a hand sometimes. Or a dagger.
Fast! Grace us with victory!